Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and in this series, we are doing how to solve inequalities. And today, I'm going to show you how to solve absolute value inequalities. So, here, given properties of absolute value inequalities, here are two types of inequalities. If absolute value less than or equal to any constant number, that time we can write in this form. Okay, so equivalent form is this, minus c 2 plus c. Here minus c, x between minus c to c. If here equal to sign, so you can put equal to, and we graph like this. Here if not inequal means equal to sign, so you can just draw a hollow circle, and if here less than or equal to, that time use fill circle, and here draw between minus c to c. And here second type, if absolute value greater than or greater than equal to any constant number, so that time in this equivalent form is x value less than minus c and x value more than c. Okay, so this type of here just use a hollow circle, because here my means no equal to sign, and here equal to sign, it means fill circle. This is the difference. So here you can imagine, here actually here four types, but you can imagine just two types. Okay, because here this is same type and this is same type. Okay, so here given this question, here solving an absolute value inequality, solve the inequality, absolute value x minus 5 less than 2. So this is which one type? Can you see here? This is first one. Okay, first or two, second, but here just less than, it means this is first one. So here equivalent form we will write in this form, and we will graph like this. Okay, so here what is c value? Can you compare this? C value is 2, so minus 2 less than x minus 5 less than 2, means this is minus c and this is plus c between this absolute value. Okay, now we can solve just like a linear equation. So add all sides 5, all three sides 5. Okay, minus 2 plus 5 is 3 less than, this is x, now isolate x, and this is 7. So can you see this? 3 less than x less than 7. So the solution set is 3 to 7 and this open interval. Okay. So here less than, that's why this small parenthesis, a small bracket. Okay. For less than or equal to, we use a square bracket. Okay. Now we can represent in number line. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 3 to 7, and here we draw hollow circle on 3 and 7, because these are not include between this. Okay, this is 3 to 7. So this is our answer in three form. One, two, three. Okay. So if you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.